today. I'm here to help you start your homestead in the modern world. A lot of people have jobs and they're realizing that homesteading has a lot of beneficial aspects to it. Healthier foods, more self-sufficient, less money needs to be spent. These things are true, but at the same time, what people fail to mention to you that it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of money, and it takes a lot of effort. So if you work in the modern world, have a job, then you need to hold on to those things for as long as you can till you get situated for your homestead and you have the things that you need in order to make your homestead thrive. It is possible to be able to still hold on to a job even if you have a homestead, but there are going to be times when it's going to get like, is this really worth it? Yes, it is. No, it's not if you don't have the mentality for it. The introduction that I'm doing right now is to give you a sense of what's to come in my later videos. If you grow plants, I'm going to show you how to be able to start them out, maintain them, harvest them, preserve them. If you're going to raise your own animals, then you need to understand that they cannot be pets. When you raise an animal on a homestead, it's going to be for support and not for a pet. A lot of people get those two things crossed up. So if you don't feel like that you could raise an animal and then not be able to butcher your animal in order to put food on your table, then you know you're not going to really make it doing homestead. A lot of people don't want to cross that line, but you know, I've seen a couple people who have touched it here and there and they caught a little flack about it, but you know, you're not going to be a homesteader unless you face these things head on. Homesteading, the true definition of it is self-sufficient. If you can grow everything or raise everything on your own place, that makes you a homesteader. You don't need to go anywhere for it. Back in the days, you know, for the things they didn't have, they would barter for these things: salt, sugar, several other things. They had something to trade, you know, other than money. Now we have grocery stores and Walmarts and Dollar Generals and things of that nature. Then, you know, we could just go up and buy these things and be done with it. Well, that's you're not really doing a whole lot of homesteading. But in today's world, we got to have lights, we got to have insurance, we got to have several things. So you know, you can still homestead and you can still live in the modern world, and I'm here to help you, show you how you can basically keep one foot in this side and still be over here in this side. So make sure you check out the following videos and we're going to get started on our homestead.